How to add extra member in your Netflix. Now, in order to add extra members in your Netflix account, you need to have the premium version of the Netflix. There are 4 different packages or subscriptions in Netflix. You must have the last two options, the premium and the standard version of the Netflix, in order to share it with the friends. Now, in order to add extra member to your Netflix account, you need to give them the access of email and you need to give them the code that you receive in your mailbox. And once they log into your account, what you can do is to go in the My Netflix and then create an extra profile for those people. Just simply tap to add button and you can create a profile name. For example, let's name it profile 2 and tap to save button. You can also set passwords for the profile that you want to use and you don't want others to access. Like this, you can share your account and add more profiles for each people that uses this specific account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.